Vande Matram everyone, I am Varsha Singh and today I am here with my teaching learning material for making your online class more interesting. So our first teaching learning material is Ganit Mala. You can make a mala with some beads, 10 beads red and 10 beads white. This can help you in the concept of tens and ones, addition and subtraction, and simple counting. This is rangometry, different shapes in different sizes. You can make it with the help of chart paper and it can help you for shape and color and different kind of concepts. Rangometry. For teaching weather, you can make these kind of cutouts. Sunny, rainy, cloudy, windy, and snowy. For storytelling, you can make these kind of simple puppet with the help of black chart paper and sticks. For creating a magical effect to your stories, you can make a shadow theater with the help of old carton and butter paper. Make few socks puppet with the help of old socks or hand puppets and with the help of old clothes or Google Eye. Word tower for GK and EVS concepts. As I am a teacher of LKG, so I take fruit, vegetable, animals and sense organs. You can create your own word tower. Decorate your board like this so you can easily teach the concepts. And children love to see the beautiful and colorful classroom. For online teaching, we all have to create a corner at our home. In this season, each and every year, we are going for nature walk. But in this pandemic, we are not able to go for a nature walk. So I create this box for nature talk. Sun, moon, clouds with raindrops, hippo, tree, mountains, river, fish, tortoise, duck, alligator, whale, snail, a beautiful cat, monkey and birds on the tree, rabbit, tiger near the den, cat, ladybug and the elephant, hen, peacock, honeybee, butterfly, flower, giraffe. So you can create a box like this for nature talk or for zoo or for wild animal and domestic animal. Whatever concept you are having in your lesson plan or you are having in your syllabus, you can create a wonderland like this. I use one old carton and an old book as my drawing is not so good, so I have to cut the pictures and I paste it here. So this way you create your own home classroom. These activities really help in your online classes. Thanks a lot everyone, and Vande Mataram.